Hey guys, Mike with A&M here. Today we're gonna do another episode of Good Find Friday. So I'm gonna show you guys everything we got. I actually did not get a video of us loading or unloading the truck, but I have all the items. So let's go through them and see what we got. So here's all the items, and now I'm gonna individually, not go through all of them, but I'm gonna go through a lot of them to show you guys everything we got that was good. All right, so the first thing we got was this portable grill. It's brand new. So I mean, I can lift that up and you can see, never been used. So that's pretty cool. Have no idea what that's worth. If you guys know how much any of this stuff's worth, let me know in the comments. That was the first thing. Then we move over here, and this is like a brand new bike helmet. And actually, you can barely see it, but it says $149 on it. So I'm sure I can sell that. So that's pretty cool. Show a picture, show that from the side. All right, moving on. We got two brand new iron skillets. I mean, these have never been used. I know that some people say the more you use them, the better the flavor is, but I thought those were cool because they're kind of smaller. And then right here, I want to set the camera up for a minute. We got this, which is literally a brand new muffler. So no idea what that's worth, but as you can see, a brand new muffler. And I actually got two of those, so that's pretty interesting. I have no idea what these are worth, so if you do, please leave a comment because I don't know what I'm getting into with these. All right, so in here, we did get this electric pressure washer. These things are probably like 150 bucks. Looks like it's in pretty good condition. Obviously, gotta just wrap it up. That's pretty cool. Then we got this mop bucket. This thing's like brand new. And if you watch my infestation video where we talk about the lady who had zillions, excuse me, blood-sucking parasites, we'll have a link in the description on that video. We got a mop bucket from her too, but it's kind of weird. We've gotten like two brand new mop buckets in the last couple weeks. And then over here, got a shop vac, wet dry vac. Don't know if it works, but these things always come in handy. This is like a stainless steel buffet server, so that's kind of cool. We got a DVD player, and does it play VHS? No, just DVD, but those are actually pretty expensive if you look online. Got this brand new set of grilling utensils, so that was cool. Did get this too, a walking helping stick and like this little stool, aluminum stool. Got some outdoor lights. We got this bread maker here. Got a couple Coleman lanterns. I don't even know if you can see that because it's kind of dark in here. And got some edging wrapped up in a bundle there. And then here's the other muffler I was talking about. And then just some other stuff that I thought I might be able to sell. Another dog cage. One of these little things here that, you know, you always see people walking around with. There you go. It's got a bottom. Now you got yourself a little wheelie cart. So that's cool. And I also got these floor mats for your car. So that's cool. All right, now I'm gonna show you guys the best thing we got from this job. All right guys, the best thing we got from this job were two Ataris. Now I do not know anything about these, haven't even Googled it yet, but from my understanding, this is an Atari as well. It says right there, maybe it's older, maybe it's newer, I don't know. If you know, let me know. But they seem to really like Atari. They got all these little, I want to call them like a, I don't even know what they're called, just a little joystick. And then they got this little paddle game. This one's actually broke, but this one works, so I'm guessing you need those for that, but who knows, maybe somebody can use it for parts. Then they had all these games. So as far as these goes, like I said, I'm only 28 years old. I was not around when this came out. 1983, wasn't even thought of, but I have heard of some of these. So I thought Centipede I had maybe heard of, but then I seen on there's a Millipede, so I'm not sure now. Asteroids, I think everybody's probably heard of. Pac-Man, and there was another one, Space Invaders. So I don't know about any of these other ones. We got Street Racer, Defender, you got Space Invaders there, Galaxia maybe. I can't really even read that, but I'm probably saying it wrong. Got this football one, and it says right here joystick controllers. I couldn't think of the name. Video pinball, which is kind of cool. Then you got this Outlaw one, kind of looks like Clint Eastwood there, and then Pac-Man. So that was the coolest thing we got on this Good Find Friday. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and we'll have more videos coming your way.